there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute campfire. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the cute campfire. I'm starting with its funny face. These are its two tiny eyes. Now I'm using my orange pen. Okay, now I'm using my red highlighter pen. Now I'm using my pencil. And now I'm using my black pen. I'm using my pencil again. Wow, it's looking so cute. Thank you so much for watching.